Ndereba John Kago atuĩkire milionea kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri 3, no ndũngĩ nĩ atĩ gũtirĩ mũndũ ũrathuthurio ũtamũgwetete ta ũmwe wa arĩa magunĩkire na mbeca iria cioimanirio kuma rũhonge-inĩ rwa NYS. Kago arĩ ndereba bengi-inĩ ya KCB na arĩhagwo ciringi 15,000. Arĩ mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya mbunge ĩrĩa ĩrathuthuria ungumania NYS, Kago oigĩte mbeca iria amũkĩrire kuma kũrĩ mwĩkũĩrwo ũngĩ Josephine Kabura ciarĩ cia kĩũrata.
It's free to give us all the information that will help us do a public service to this country. Can he take us serious so that he tells us the truth?
We opt to take a loan from Josephine Kabura instead of working in a bank and getting a loan.
I knew Josephine Kabura through my normal course of business, and it is true that she deposited the said amount to my account at Family Bank, Kenya Limited, pursuant to a loan agreement that I was to receive from her the sum of 60 million to enable me make some investment into my business.
Macokio macio matina Kenya abunge.
I encourage you, because you don't want these members to declare you a hostile witness, because if they do, that will not be good for you.
So for that reason, that opening statement of yours does not stand. Secondly, why are you misleading this committee on how much amount you received from Kabura? You did not receive only 60 million shillings from Kabura. Indeed, you have received much more.
I'd like to start by my statement and point out that the trail, the chart that has been given by the investigating officer is what we are charging also in court.
Kuratuĩka mwĩkũĩrwo ũngĩ Ben Gĩthini anengerire Kago mirioni 166 na Kabura akĩmũnengera ciringi mirioni 150 kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri 3.